The main panel contains a stream graph of the number of posts categorized by events and resources. A sliding window with customizable size and position is used for specific selection. 4 other panels are updated dynamically, according to main panel. This panel is a word stream, demonstrating topic evolution. These words are keywords extracted from the message and corresponding locations of message. This panel is a map of St. Himark, in which the color of each neighborhood indicates the number of posts in that area. User can use this map for highlighting corresponding terms in the word stream and vice versa. The network demonstrates the connection between users through the accounts that are mentioned in content of messages. Via this network, we can spot which one is the account that has important role in the community. This panel is an account list for ranking content creators. This chart shows the accounts that write the largest number of posts for the chosen time frame and the chosen categories. From the main panel with earthquake selection, we can spot there are 3 times that the earthquake hit St. Himark. We marked these points to indicate the time period that the earthquake might hit. For the first strike, the first message that mentions the earthquake is at about 2:33 p.m. on April 6. At Old Town, they just recorded an earthquake. For the second strike, the first message that mentions the earthquake is at about 8:36 a.m. on April 8, at Downtown, that an earthquake just occurred off the northeast shore of the town of St. Himark. For the third strike, the first message that mentions the earthquake is at about 3:05 p.m. on April 9, at Shettiford, that the ground started quivering. From these messages we can get to see when and where the earthquake started. In terms of resources, we consider water, energy, medical, shelter, transportation and food. Regarding water, at around 1 p.m. April 8, there is a major concern about water, as can be seen in the word stream. The words such as water, sour and contaminated are emphasized. Broken water and sour pipes lead to contaminated water, and the water is unsafe. The locations that are affected are Old Town, Safe Town, Scenic Vista, Broadview, Chaparral, Easton. The SOAR crew need to be at these places to fix the problem. This problem arose after the second strike and no longer appear around the third strike, indicating that it was already solved before the third strike. In terms of transportation, the bridges and routes around St. Himark faced several problems after the second and third strike. From the network, we can see that the Department of Transportation DOT St. Himark played a vital role in this situation. DOT St. Himark provided information about the status of bridges, such as the Magritte Bridge is closed, the 12th of July Bridge is closed, the Wilson Forest Highway is closed. Regarding food, around 7 p.m., April 8, at Old Town, there are needs for water, food, bandages, insulin and flashlights. Other events besides earthquake include ground damages, flooding, aftershock and fire. We expand the sliding window size to 20 hours to get a broader view of the situation. For instance, flooding happened at around 2 p.m. April 8. The related locations are Terrapin Springs, Scenic Vista, Old Town and South Ton. Fire happened in a broad area, including Downtown, Old Town, Easton, Southwest, Palace Hills.